How's it going, everybody? This is Mark with AtTech, and in front of me we've got the new Echo Dot. This is the 3rd generation. They came out a couple of months ago, along with all of Amazon's other new devices, including the Alexa-enabled microwave, which is pretty awesome. I haven't seen a lot on these, so I figured why not make a video. I got 2 different colors. They have 3 this year. We have charcoal, which is right here. There's heather gray, and then there's sandstone. I got sandstone right here as well. These are all fabric, very similar to the Google Home Minis, and they even did come out with some cases for the Echo Dot 2nd generation, so it's very similar to this. The previous generation was all plastic. I do have a skin on mine, so you can't quite see that. These are bigger. They look very similar to the Google Home Mini. So if you're looking for something that's small and compact, this is a better option. But these are bigger, they look nicer, and should hopefully have a better speaker in them. These do retail for $50, so it's a little more expensive than the 2nd generation, but hopefully that's worth it. So let's go ahead and check out charcoal first. On the box it just says that we still get a line out, how it's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, what works with it, some commands, that sort of stuff. And on the top right here, we have got the Echo Dot 3rd generation. It is very, very heavy and pretty big, actually. Let's see what else we got in here. We've got some things to try, what you can tell it, how to set it up. We've also got our power adapter. This now uses a barrel connector, which is very strange, and it is built into this 15-watt power brick, so no more powering it over USB, unfortunately, which is a little strange and unfortunate. I loved being able to just plug something in, but oh well. They do not give you your audio cable. They only do that with the 1st generation. 2nd and 3rd, they do not give you a cable. On the bottom, we got a rubber foot, which is fairly sticky. On the back, we have 2 barrel connectors. They both look the same. One is for power, one is for audio out. This does feature Bluetooth to go to Bluetooth speakers, but you can also plug it into a speaker. It is very, very hefty, and the fabric is similar to the case on here. And if you've ever used a Google Home or a HomePod, it feels very similar. We have some pretty big buttons, which are fairly clicky. It feels like metal on the top, and we got our 4 microphones on here as well, and it looks pretty nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the sandstone, and then we'll go ahead and compare this to the 2nd generation. Nobody really has the 1st, so I'm not going to compare that, but I do have it. So there we go. We got our sandstone, and this does include a matching power brick right there. So we get our black one for the black one and white for the white. If you got the heather gray, which has a black top one, I bet you'd get this color as well. Okay, and we will just go ahead and open this one up. And there you go. This one looks very clean and very nice. I am a big fan of this one, actually. I didn't think I would. But this one I feel like could get a little dusty and dirty easier. This one's pretty nice, and I like this one a lot. For the sake of camera exposure, we'll compare the black ones, and let's take a look at what is different. So on the top, we have these same buttons. However, the microphone mute is a different icon. Instead of 1 dot on the middle and a ring around the outside, we have 4 dots all around. They still do have the light ring around, but this one does taper off to the edge. So if you're kind of sitting eye level with it, you'll be able to see the light a little bit better, because I know it was always kind of hard to see this light on the top. As you can see, they are very different in size. That is a pretty big difference. And the new one is also thicker, and wow, it is much heavier. Bottoms, really nothing special going on there. On the back, instead of micro USB, we have our barrel connector, and then they both do have audio out. So that is pretty much it. What can you expect with these? Well, it's bigger, so it's going to have a better speaker and a little bit louder if that was something that you missed. Because of that, it does require more power to, fuel the speakers because they are better. They are built much nicer. The fabric is really nice, and the metal-like finish is pretty good as well. Features is not going to vary at all between any of these devices. They all have Alexa. They all work the same, but it's just how it looks and that sort of stuff. So, nothing special, but they are pretty cool if you are looking for an upgrade or you're wanting to pick one up. I believe they still are selling the second generation for about $30, and these are $50. So it's just whatever you want. And, that's pretty much it. They're really cool. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with AtTech, and I'll see you in the next one.